Ever feel like you're playing a financial version of hide and seek? You know, you're moving, or maybe just curious, and suddenly your go-to bank, the one you've trusted, seems to vanish. Like it's playing a geographical disappearing act? Today, we're putting a spotlight on one of those financial players, TD Bank. You've probably seen their green logo, maybe even banked with them. But a question lingers, is TD Bank everywhere? Does it stretch across all 50 states, or is it more like a regional star? It's a valid question, especially in our increasingly mobile world. We're not tied to one place anymore. Jobs, family, adventure, life pulls us in different directions. And when that happens, the last thing we need is a banking headache. Imagine moving from, say, a bustling city where TD Bank branches are as common as coffee shops, to a rural area where you can't even find an ATM. The frustration is real. So, let's cut to the chase. Does TD Bank grace all 50 states with its presence? The short answer is a resounding no. TD Bank, while a significant player in the banking industry, operates primarily on the east coast of the United States. Think New England, the Mid-Atlantic, and down into Florida. That's their core territory. Now, why is that? It's not about them being lazy or uninterested in expansion. It's more about strategic focus. TD Bank has built a strong, concentrated network in these regions, allowing them to provide a high level of service and build deep customer relationships. They've chosen depth over breadth, establishing a dense network where they are present. This means if you're living in or moving to states like Maine, New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Connecticut, New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Delaware, Maryland, Washington, D.C., Virginia, or Florida, you're in luck. TD Bank will likely be a familiar and accessible option. But if you're west of the Mississippi, or in many of the southern states outside of Florida, you'll find TD Bank's footprint is non-existent. 1. Books.google.com. Books.google.com. This regional focus also impacts the bank's services. They've tailored their offerings to the specific needs of their customer base in these areas. Think about it. Different regions have different economic landscapes, different demographics, and different financial priorities. By concentrating their efforts, TD Bank can better serve their customers with products and services that resonate. It's important to remember that this doesn't make TD Bank a bad bank. It's simply a bank with a defined service area. And in that area, they've established a strong reputation for customer service and community involvement. However, for those of us who travel or move frequently, or who live outside their core region, this geographical limitation is a significant consideration. So, next time you're considering a bank, remember to look beyond the flashy ads and catchy jingles. Do your research. Check their service area. Make sure they align with your lifestyle and your geographic needs. Because in the end, your bank should be a partner, not a puzzle. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.